Hello, muraho. Let's learn Kinyarwanda numbers. Imibare. Zeru, zeru. Rimwe, rimwe. Kabiri, kabiri. Gatatu, gatatu. Kane, kane. Gatanu, gatanu. Gatandatu, gatandatu. Karindwi, karindwi. Umunani, umunani. Icyenda, icyenda. Icumi, icumi. Makumyabiri, makumyabiri. Mirongo itatu, mirongo itatu. Mirongo ine, mirongo ine. Mirongo itanu, mirongo itanu. Mirongo itandatu, mirongo itandatu. Mirongo irindwi, mirongo irindwi. Mirongo inani, mirongo inani. Mirongo icyenda, mirongo icyenda. Ijana, ijana. Let's try to do some practice. Icumi. Then you have cumi na rimwe. It's like 10 and 1. Cumi na rimwe. Cumi na kabiri. The na you put between means and. Cumi na kabiri. Cumi na gatatu. 10 and 3. Cumi na gatatu. Cumi na kane. Cumi na kane. Cumi na gatanu. Cumi na gatanu. Cumi na gatandatu. Cumi na gatandatu. Cumi na karindwi. Cumi na karindwi. Cumi n'umunani. Cumi n'umunani. Cumi n'icyenda. Cumi n'icyenda. Get those numbers at Muraho Rwanda so you can practice. Makumyabiri. Makumyabiri na rimwe. It's 20 and 1. Makumyabiri na rimwe. Makumyabiri na kabiri. Makumyabiri na gatatu. Makumyabiri na kane. Makumyabiri na kane. It's 20 and 4. End is na. Makumyabiri na kane. Makumyabiri na gatanu. Makumyabiri na gatanu. Makumyabiri na gatanu. makumyabiri na gatandatu, makumyabiri na gatandatu, makumyabiri na karindwi, makumyabiri na karindwi. Those numbers can help you to practice with your children. Makumyabiri n'umunani, makumyabiri n'umunani, makumyabiri n'icyenda, makumyabiri n'icyenda, mirongo itatu, mirongo itatu. Then you can add numbers. Mirongo itatu na rimwe is 30 and 1. So you keep adding the numbers and put na between. Mirongo itatu n'icyenda, mirongo itatu n'icyenda, mirongo itatu na kane, mirongo itatu na kane. Alors, can you tell me what is it? Mirongo itatu na kabiri, mirongo itatu n'umunani, mirongo itatu n'umunani, mirongo itatu, can you tell me? Mirongo itatu na gatatu, mirongo itatu na gatatu. Tell me, what is this? What number is this? Okay, I hope you got it. It's mirongo ine. Mirongo ine n'umunani. Mirongo ine n'umunani. Mirongo ine na kabiri. Mirongo ine na kabiri. Mirongo ine na gatanu. Keep trying. It's every time you put the number, if it's 40, and put na and the number that comes after. What is this? What number is this? Mirongo ine na karindwi. Mirongo ine na karindwi. Now I give you the time to think. Okay, so as you can see, you can really do different numbers. You can always play with your children, your students. So I found these numbers very, very, very helpful. These numbers that are made in wood with beautiful colors. You can order them from Muraho Rwanda. We have packs and packs of these numbers. Whenever you want them, whenever you want your kids to play with them, whenever you want to learn with these numbers, you can contact us. We can order your numbers and deliver them to your door. Mirongo inani, mirongo inani, mirongo inani na kane, mirongo inani na kane. What number is this? Mirongo inani n'umunani. Mirongo inani n'umunani and ijana. Ijana. You can keep adding, so it will be 100 and put the number. Ijana na kabiri. Ijana na kabiri. Ijana n'umunani. Now it's your turn. Okay, did you get ijana na cumi? I hope you got it. ijana na mirongo itatu. Now I'm gonna leave you time to practice and say it. So you got it? It's ijana na mirongo inani. Ijana na mirongo inani n'umunani. Now you do the next. Ijana na mirongo ine na gatanu. Ijana na mirongo ine na gatanu. What number is this? I hope you got it. So ijana na mirongo itatu na gatandatu. Ijana na mirongo itatu na gatandatu. Keep going. Keep practicing. This is really, really good. You have all the numbers. You can make different numbers. You can test yourself. You can test your children. You can test anyone, your students. If you got those numbers, you cannot get tired of practicing the numbers. Sometimes you ask your student or your children to test you. So you give them all the numbers and you tell them to make any number, and then they can ask you, and then you check, and then you do vice versa. They can tell you the number to make. They can tell the phone number. Here I'm trying to do the phone number. 0, like 0, 0, 0, karindwi, umunani, kabiri, gatanu, kane, gatatu, so you can also ask your student or ask someone to tell them your numbers, and then you can construct them. You can use those numbers to make a phone number. You can do vice versa. You can ask them to tell you, or you can tell them to make the numbers. It's a very good game with 2 people to play, or a group of children or a group of students. Now we're back to 100. Now, we were doing 200. We were doing 100. Now we're going to do 200. So it's simply you put the 2 instead of 1. It makes 200. So you can keep adding the number. This is 300. So we're going to practice. Magana tatu. Magana tatu. Remember the hundreds are started by magana. Ijana is 1, magana is plural and comes before the number. So magana ane, this is 400. It becomes maganane. Magana tanu. Magana atanu. Magana tanu. Magana tandatu. Magana tandatu. Now it's your turn. You got it? Magana rindwi. Magana rindwi. Maganinani. Maganinani. Magana chenda. Magana chenda. igihumbi. Igihumbi. That is 1,000. You just simply add the 0 to the 100 and make igihumbi 1,000. Because you will not have 1,000 written together, so you're just making numbers. We're back to magana abiri. Magana abiri na rimwe. Magana abiri na kane. Magana abiri na kane. Magana abiri na mirongo itandatu. Magana abiri na mirongo itandatu. Magana abiri na mirongo itandatu na kane. Magana abiri na mirongo itandatu na kane. Can you do that? Can you do that also? Magana abiri na mirongo itanu na rimwe. So you put na between all numbers. Magana abiri na mirongo itanu na rimwe. Magana inani. Magana inani na kabiri. Magana inani na cumi. Magana inani na cumi. Ijana. Now we have 1,210. Did you see that? That's what I see. Igihumbi na magana abiri na cumi. Igihumbi na magana abiri na cumi. Igihumbi. Igihumbi na magana atanu na mirongo inani na gatatu. Igihumbi na magana atanu na mirongo inani na gatatu. Remember to put the na between every number. Na. $2,000. Ibihumbi bibiri. So we come from igihumbi, 1,000, and you start to be ibihumbi when you put the plurals, when you put 1,000. Ibihumbi bitatu. Ibihumbi bine. Ibihumbi bine. Ibihumbi bitanu. Ibihumbi bitanu. Ibihumbi birindwi. Ibihumbi birindwi. Ibihumbi umunani. This one you read it together. Ibihumbi umunani. Ibihumbi bitandatu. Ibihumbi bitatu. Ibihumbi bitatu na magana inani na makumyabiri na rimwe. Try again. Ibihumbi bitatu na magana inani na makumyabiri na rimwe. Ibihumbi bibiri. Ibihumbi bibiri na makumyabiri. This can be the year 2020 or 2020. Ibihumbi bibiri na makumyabiri na gatandatu. This is our year. Ibihumbi bibiri na makumyabiri na gatandatu.